Stocks are moving lower again today after yesterday's massive rally. As I speak to you right now, the Russell is down over 3%. The Nasdaq is down 2.5%. The S&P is down 2.16%, and the Dow is down almost 2%, and they seem to be weakening as I speak to you now. CPI in China last night came out weaker than expected, as did CPI in the US, but the markets don't seem to be looking at that as any sort of good news. Jobless claims in the US came out as expected, so nothing to worry about there, and building permits came out stronger than expected. The dollar in the aggregate is much lower as yields fell off again on the front end, but we had a slight rise in the 30-year bond yield. Gold is up over 2%, silver up 1.25%, and copper has risen 3.5% so far this morning, but crude oil is again collapsing below $60 a barrel, down 4.52% as I speak to you right now. We have two important Fed speakers today, Fed Governor Michelle Bowman and Philly Fed President Patrick Harker. Michelle Bowman is known to be a hawk on interest rates, and Patrick Harker is considered to be pretty balanced, so their comments will matter in light of all the volatility we've seen. Additionally, we have a 30-year bond auction today, $22 billion worth, which given all the volatility we've seen in treasuries, will be something to watch as well. Yesterday's auction of $39 billion worth of 10-year notes demonstrated unexpectedly strong demand with the 2.67 bid to cover ratio. That's a pretty good auction. Tomorrow, earnings season officially or unofficially begins with 3 of the big banks reporting earnings and a total of 6 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting. As I mentioned yesterday, forward guidance will be much more important than their actual results. We've already had CarMax release earnings today, and the market did not seem to like their results, at least early on. So the market will be closely watching earnings from JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, in addition to BlackRock, Bank of New York Mellon, and Fastenal, all being released tomorrow before the open. Economic data tonight, there's nothing interesting to look at, but tomorrow we get UK industrial production, German CPI, US PPI, and Michigan consumer sentiment expectation and inflation expectations. This is the preliminary reading for the month of April, so we could get some interesting readings based off of the current volatility.